Did you know you can manage your Spacetalk mobile plan from the online mobile portal? Getting started is simple. You can access the Spacetalk mobile portal by visiting spacetalk.co/mobile activate. First, you'll need to log in. Enter the account or mobile number of the service you are trying to manage. This can be found on the welcome email sent from mobile support at spacetalk.co. If you have forgotten your password, just click Reset Password. Here's some of the things you can do on the portal. Activate your SIM card. Check your data balance. Data gifting for friends and family. Make changes to your mobile plan. Disconnect your service. Check your payment history. Securely update your payment method. Edit your account details. Now that you have seen what you can do on Spacetalk's mobile portal, it's always available for you to manage your account. For more help, visit spacetalk.co/support.